Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install iPhone camera app on your Android phone. So let's get started. So first thing you need to do is go over to the App Store and then go to search here. And then in search navigation, just simply search iOS camera. Now once you search up iOS camera, there are quite a few camera apps that will basically work like the iPhone camera app on an Android phone. Here, as you can see here, there's a couple of them. You could download any of them. I installed this one, for example, and this one, iCamera, these two. But you can use any of these that you like. Each one has a different feature and slightly different UI. And once you download them, so if you're going to go ahead and click on it, click on install, it'll download. And I'll show you here. Go ahead and download. I have downloaded basically 3 different kind of app. And then let's go ahead and open one up. And as you can see here, I have the square mode, the photo, video. This pretty much mimics what the iPhone camera looks like, and then short video as well. Those are the options available on this camera, and then other square, pro, and then food, which are additional ones that usually don't come with. And they have the option to switch camera as well, and then flash as well, and then up top your other navigations as well that you have. So that's one camera app. Now another one, for example, if I go here to iCamera, here you can see this one. Portrait mode is an option here, photo, video, and then slow-mo as well. Pretty much mimicking what the iPhone camera does in sense. And then this new one, as you can see here, some of them, again, will look differently. This one, for example, has a little bit of ad here, but once you go through there, you can select the language, and then we'll see. We're going to have to give access to using the camera, and then allow it to use the actual camera, and then allow access to your photos and videos. And as you can see here, this one as well. So 3 different apps here. You can pretty much choose which app works for you, but that's how you would install an iPhone camera on an Android phone. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.